So, may ano muna dito. Ano bang tawag dito? May orientation. So, mag-orient si Madam. Sabay di.
I'm Ping Ping. Today I will teaching a little bit about equipment to do the zip line. So here is the relay. Just will do the zip line today. Every time staff will set for you. Every time you don't set by yourself. And this one terminal or set. You have to use every time. When you climbing, when you save on the canyon beach or spider net. Do you know how to use this?
Which one?
All.
That you see?
You should pull it down.
That you see?
Hilahin mo ng pababa.
This will lock automatic.
Ah, okay, okay. So, ganyan siya.
Tapos, ito, kailangan nakakabit na dalawa. Hindi isa.
Tanggalin.
Kailangan ko rin malaman.
Okay.
Kakabit doon sa... Ikaw maghihintay ka pa ng laging magkakabit.
Hindi kasi sabi when you take the zip line,
Yeah.
it's not only here. You hold or
Wow.
okay. Don't touch here, and don't touch here. That's only about the bed over there. The staff will take the break for you. You have to listen to the staff. Hold. You have to hold. And when the zip line arrives, it will.
Okay, it will go back.
You don't do like this. You have to move a little bit. Here. Understand?
You have to...
When you arrive, the staff will tell you, "Chắc sữa." You have to. Yes. Just not this one.
Kasi pagka hindi mo hahawakan yung lubid, babalik ka. Magbabounce ka dito. You're going to bounce it here and then you go back. So you need to hold this one. Okay? Okay?
Hindi. Ang naghahawakan mo muna to. Ngayon, isa na... Can do like this?
No.
Here, on this one.
Just only here.
Yes, ma'am.
So, next, when you climbing like
Oh, may climbing pa pala dun.
Straight like this. You have step, everyone have step. Climbing.
Ba't mali yung akin? Nandito sa... Ay, tama. Kahit na kayo rin
When
nandyan.
you step, don't step the same. Different step. Like this.
Back to back, parang ganun.
Ha?
You have to step like this.
Ah, okay.
When you move,
Kailangang opposite sila.
when you move, you have to take one by one.
Oh, there.
Like this. Don't move together. Don't move together like this.
Yeah.
You have to move one by one. Understand?
Yes.
Okay,
Do
when
it,
you
do
walk
it.
on the bridge, we have the zip line like this. It's the same. Like this. And then walk. Understand? Everyone can understand? Yes.
Uy, nag-gets nyo raw? Okay na? Uy, kayo ha?
Hindi pwede isa-isa tayo, hindi
Magbi-video. Baka mahulog mo yan ah.
Malaki yun. Lumawakan yan.
Hindi, magbi-video lang mamaya dyan. Tiga. Video map ka.
Practice kayo. Practice kayo. Practice para hindi kayo din dun sa dyan. Practice kayo. Paano magkabit-kabit.
Dito, ne. Ay, dito. Dapat ganyan. Tapos, opposite. Tapos, hindi mo siya tatanggalin ng sabay. Dapat. Tapos, tanggalin mo to. Next.
Dalawa.
Yan, so hindi sila. Hindi sila pareho, no? Tapos hindi sila sabay tatanggalin. Tapos na.
Tapos nakano siya.
Tapos na, tapos na. Ito naman. Practice. Gusto, ne? No. Wah! Video mo ganun. Ako ulit. Ayos block.
Here you go.
Ayan. Okay. Ayan, baba na tayo mga kamotor. This is exciting. Ang taas. Oh, babae pa yata ang mag-a-assist sa atin, no? Ano daw? Ready na? Ready na? Yeah, baka love, ha?
O que tá fazendo?
So, you need to wear your shoes when you go on zip lining. Oh my gosh, parang kinabahan naman ako. Pero gusto kong itry. Grabe ah, ang haba ah. From here hanggang dun, di kita. Sa kabilang dulo, Sa kabilang dulo. Oh my gosh! Hala! Hala! Oh my gosh! Oh, hindi na siya kita.
Without sparking song.